Later, at Helen's house, Mr. Jakes, you ready? For what? Your big studio session. Now for support you on your big day. Hey, come in. You want a juice? You have coconut water? My boyfriend named Jonathan Jakes must have coconut water. I'll have your tall glass in there. Aye. Imagine a tree provide you with a whole drink. So how about that? Can't get over it. You're weird. And it tastes nice. Studio time. So all them gal out there, we want to see goody good as an Ellen Tracy flap. Remember say I just bad mind. Can enough man out there with a want pre-way. Sing it, Black Princess. Somebody loves you. Goody somebody need. Goody good as honey, it's me. Somebody like goody good as yeah. Come love you, baby. Good and I get weak, Mr. Butter. And the princess sound wicked too. But no must. Any tune we produce under Fat Butter production must lick. Me, Fat Butter says so. Now that was a pilot. Bim! Wham, sweetheart, how me sound? Turn up, baby, turn up. Mwah. You're mad, you're mad. Yeah! Goody. A man a call and say you're parking in him spot. Him spot there, dove cat. Sounding sweet, princess. Fat butter make you rich. Make this hold you for now. Cool now? Goody? Pilot? Yes, princess. Alright, Ellen. Remember my barbecue, you know. And bring your boyfriend. He need a little meat. He need plenty meat. Me almost bulldoze him when me come in at the place. She stop parry them laughing, man, at studio. Man will mash up them soft boy there. Greenwich Town. That boy they think him can come bad up bad man. Him know which part him there. Ready for him now. Click, click. No matter which part him turn, he might get shot. Bow, bow, bow. Hey man, watch where you point that gun there. Watch yourself. Just leave a piece for me and me eyes prick. Sooner than you expect. Zing! Ding, ding, ding. Catch you now. Think man a fool. Zoof. Clip, clip. What it? Zim. Crep. Charlie. Stibbs. Bimmer. Him come. No, no. Hey, you're gonna learn something, Mr. Cat. Karachi now gonna help you today. Karachi better help him today. The cat is fat. Plow, doof, cocoy, bibam. Skillful. Real Karachi. But there are many. Wap, 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 wap. How me do that? Clump, clump, clump. What a noisy fellow. What? Chum. Ya go gully. Maki. Pedro. Vip. Chunk. God. Ching. Juk. Why? Bim. Grip. Cling. Bra. Them get him. Why? Fling. Beat him. Clip your head. And my partner, I go a mobile if we go meet with the boss. Yeah? From where? Tinson Pen. But he must leave already. 9 o'clock gone. Eat. Whoop. Poof. Aye. Eat. Scratch. Eat. How are this? The cat. He might drive back in vehicle. Hey. Zim! See them there? Ray! Oh, the boss! See them there? Yeah! Lie, don't. Roll with it. Grab. Plow! Huh? Stamp! Aye! Brute you. Karachi that. Take one another. Zoof. Why? Why? Look what you do. The cat makes a desperate grab. Whiff. Pip, 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 pip. Got dead, boy. Why? Flying through the air. How happened? Oh, yeah, how got man so? Why? No make me dead, no make me dead. All right, hold off. Shum. Shum. Parachute, shut up. Huh? Hold on. Why? Root up. Papa Jesus, save me. Boom. Who this, Miss C? A suspect for rape. What? Make we deal with him. Watch me. No jungle justice. The police are come there. Read me my rights, officer. Read me my rights.